fireworks.
Get the breath out of me. You be careful being that near.
Woo!
Oh my god! Hey! Hey! Woo! Whoa!
Oh, what? Oh, these are the best fireworks in the world. Whoop.
It's actually exploding something over there.
No, it's just...
It's too bloody new. It's making me feel ill.
Dad, run!
Whoa!
Dad! Get out there, man! That was exploding on you!
Don't go near.
Oh, that's so funny! So why don't ours sound like that?
Because ours are French.
Yeah, I was going, oh, you hard.
And because ours are only little ones at the moment. It's going to be a double explosion, isn't it?
We only have one apart.
These are funny, man. What about the other ones? These ones aren't very good.
Oh, these are big ones. Oh,
my
we're letting
God,
off the
it's
moth.
bat one.
The moth/bat.
Put that one over there a
It's
bit.
too near to the house. It says 100 metres.
Woo!
Oh, God.
What's it going to do? Whoa! Don't play with fireworks.
Play firework, boy.
This at home.
Oh my god.
Don't try this at home. We're silly.
Don't I get out of there? Oh, God, these ones are like a fat bag.
That nearly came off this stick.
Oh, it's because they're too far in the ground.
I think it's because they're 2 years old. Oh
I don't
my!
know exactly what that was going to do to that metal thing.
Whoa!
I won't go back to that just yet.
Still burning.
Oh, Dad, don't go back to it. It's still burning.
The fence will be up in a minute.
It's actually burning properly.
I think now is when we need the water.
No, it's gone out, it's gone out, it's gone out. Back to these, the best ones.
Wait for it.
Oh, Dad.
I wouldn't be too sure.
Ooh, it's a big one.
Right.
Woo! Ah!
Oh, it wasn't as big as I thought it was.
Lit one and threw it.
Oh my goodness.
Balls to your face. I don't know if that was one of the big ones as well. Where the hell did that go? These are funny, it's light and go. Boom!
To be fair, this is slightly more fun.
I don't like it!
Oh, shut up. Wait for it.
No. I hate when this happens.
Well, it's got to burn down inside it. Here we go. Woo!
Woo! Hey! Hey! Red.
Let it.
Yep.
Don't go back yet.
Last rocket.
Lost. Okay.
Whoa! That was exciting. Stop being scared.
What? But it's such a loud noise. It makes me blink.
Oh, you can smell it.
This isn't going on Facebook. Okay, well maybe it is. Edit. Edit block.